I'm Janina at Glo Skin Beauty, and this is a quick guide to our Restorative Cream. Deliver deep, lasting moisture to dry, dehydrated skin with this rich, nourishing cream. Restoring and repairing skin, it protects against signs of aging and environmental stress for a replenished, restored complexion. Powered by anti-aging antioxidants, resveratrol and squalane, shea butter, and blackcurrant seed oil add to the conditioning and healing mix, protecting skin from the aging effects from free radical damage while repairing and restoring skin's moisture barrier for strengthened, softened complexion comfort. Apply to skin after cleansing and toning. Layer over a solution serum for extra benefits. Can be used twice daily. Nourishing, caring, and repairing. If you have dry skin, this rich, luxurious moisturizer will be your absolute go-to.